Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic. Social media, is it a blessing or a curse? I'm Riya.
And I'm Aman. So Riya, let's start simple. Do you think social media has made our lives better?
Honestly, yes. It has connected people across the world. I can talk to my cousin in Canada instantly, share photos, even do video calls for free.
True, but don't you think it has also made us less connected in real life? People are sitting together but busy on their phones.
That's a fair point. I've seen families at dinner tables, everyone scrolling instead of talking.
Exactly. It's ironic. We are connected online but disconnected in person.
But we can't blame the platform for that. It depends on how we use it. Social media itself gives us so many opportunities. Small businesses grow through Instagram. Students learn new skills from YouTube.
That's true. In fact, many people have built entire careers just from social media. Content creators, influencers, online teachers.
Exactly. 10 years ago, this wasn't even possible. Now anyone with a phone and an idea can reach millions of people.
But there's a dark side too. Fake news spreads faster than real news. People believe things without checking facts.
Yes, misinformation is a serious problem. During elections or emergencies, wrong information can create panic.
And let's talk about mental health. Studies show that excessive use of social media increases anxiety, especially in teenagers, because of constant comparison.
That's very real. Seeing others' perfect vacations or bodies makes people feel insecure about their own lives, even though most of it is just a filtered version of reality.
Right, nobody posts their bad days.
True. But on the positive side, social media has also given a voice to people who never had one before. Activists, small farmers, local artists.
Good point. Movements like climate awareness or social justice campaigns have grown because of social media reach.
So maybe the real question isn't, is social media good or bad, but how do we use it wisely?
I like that. Like anything powerful, fire, internet, even money, it depends on the user.
Exactly. If we set boundaries, like limiting screen time or following accounts that add value instead of stress, it can genuinely improve our lives.
What about privacy? A lot of people don't realize how much data these apps collect.
That's a valid concern. Every click, every like, every search is tracked. Companies use this data to target ads specifically to us.
It's a bit scary when you think about it. How well these algorithms know our habits.
Yes, but again, being aware of privacy settings and limiting what we share can help control that.
Let's talk about the younger generation. Do you think kids should be allowed on social media?
Personally, I think there should be an age limit and parents should monitor their usage, especially in the beginning.
Agreed. Kids don't yet have the maturity to handle criticism, comparison, or even strangers online.
It's a big responsibility for parents in today's digital world.
So, to wrap up, what's your final opinion? Advantage or disadvantage?
I'd say it's a tool. Advantage if used mindfully, disadvantage if used carelessly.
Well said. I feel the same. Social media isn't going anywhere, so it's better to learn to use it responsibly rather than avoid it completely.
Absolutely. Thank you all for watching this discussion.
Do let us know in the comments. Do you think social media is more helpful or more harmful?
Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new along the way. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English conversation videos like this one. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.